This video is sponsored by artifair.in. This is long cable. This is short cable. And this is the shortest connector made by me. So now I will show you then how you can turn this or this cable into this small connector. So let's begin. So now take a short cable like this and then cut into this like to these pieces. And now it is very much simple that you take this connector, take a cutter and peel this black layer from here. You have to do the same as on this connector. You have to peel the cable through the cutter. After that, you will get these two connectors here, one USB-A and other micro USB. So you have to do what is compressed, then add as much that you can. After that, you have to shoulder both the wires using a soldering iron. And then use glue gun for extra strength. So now let's test it. For testing, my phone don't support micro USB, so I am taking an old phone. Here you can see here. If your phone supports Type-C or Lightning, you can use that connector at this point. Let's test it. Plug this here. And then I am using this phone and plug this here. And you can see that the phone is charging. You can see this connected here. You can say the phone is charging now. So it was as simple as like this. Now you can carry this small connector anywhere in your pocket, and this is a rugged product. And guys, believe me, this is very tough. You can even throw it like this, or can even stretch it like this. Guys, so now no more need of this long wires. Carry a small connector here and your all work is completed. You can connect the two data cable also through. You can transfer data from a PC or from laptop to your phone, or from laptop. So guys, how is this gadget? If you like it, then a like for this video will be amazing. And if you want more videos like this, then a sub to the channel will be helpful. And thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.